VaultChat. This way you can install your license easily and quickly. The first thing we must do if we do not yet have the license, is to go to the Encriptados website, enter VaultChat and acquire one of the licenses Encriptados has for you. Once you purchase it, a code will be sent for the installation with a step-by-step. Now we must see if the phone has any recent updates to its operating system and we must update it. If it is already updated, we will proceed to reset the phone to factory settings. Factory data reset. When the phone restarts and we are on this screen, we are going to press a point on the screen 9 times in a row until the camera is activated. Then, we will proceed to read the QR code that was sent at the time of purchase. After this, it is necessary that we connect to a Wi-Fi network. We must connect to a private and secure network and never to a public one. We click Next and then Accept. Now we must create a password to enter the phone and press the Done button. Here, we must wait for the system to download the applications. At this point, we deactivate the location switches and other Google services and continue. We now accept the license agreements and privacy policies and continue. Now the last steps will be installed and VaultChat will install some facade apps that will not work. They are just a facade to simulate an Android. If you want apps like Signal or Threema, they can be installed by requesting it at Encriptados. Then the VaultChat app will download and we can enter. We configure these small options and then enter the key or code that Encriptados gives to the user to activate the app. It is important that we differentiate the uppercase from the lowercase and then click Accept and Activate. Later we will proceed to create the application key and the alias or nickname. We press Allow Microphone while the app is in use. Here we press the same and continue. Very good. At this point the VaultChat system will be ready to use and enjoy secure and encrypted communications with chat, contacts and the secure vault.